I am Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We will take care of you and your car after an accident. Today I'd like to tell you how we make a complicated repair easy and stress-free for a customer. We managed 3 claims on a Range Rover Velar for a customer in the time it was at our shop. An insurance claim, a repair the customer paid for out of pocket, and a glass claim. The repair process was complicated with over 100 labor hours and out-of-state vendors for parts, and tracking down repair processes for this particular vehicle. I contacted a shop owner I know in Connecticut for information on removing the door handles which go into the car while you're driving once the door is shut. It was also towed to a dealership in Albany to be reprogrammed due to the computerized specifications of the vehicle. We kept in communication with the customer by phone, also email, and we walked him through each step of the process. After we delivered the Range Rover Velar, I personally called and spoke to the customer to make sure everything was as expected with repairs. I thanked him for his business and reminded him of our lifetime warranty. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialists that take the stress away after an accident.